39 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add put the previous to 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. 4 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times, as 3 is less than 4, so 0 times 4, 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 3, bring down this digit, 9. 39. 4 goes into 39 how many times? 10. 4 times 10, 40, which is get us so 9 times. 9 times 4, which gives us 36. Subtract, you are getting 3. So our answer is 0, 9, remainder 0, 9 means 9, remainder 3. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? 8 times 32, which is get us to 7 times, that 7 times 4, 28. Subtract 2, bring down another 0, 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So your answer is 9.75.